Step 2 of the 4-part strategy to get rid of unhealthy habit is to observe the habit. So identify the triggers. What happens when you perform the habit? What triggers it? Then what are your feelings associated with it? How do you feel before, during, and after performing the habit? And what are your thoughts? Related to that, is it I really want to get rid of the unhealthy habit. It really feels good. How can I ever let it go? Or oh my god, this might be just so easy to let go of. Observe the habit and understand the triggers. Once you understand the triggers, the feelings, the thoughts associated with that, it's easier to identify the benefits. And even though you've described your habit in as much detail as you could, and the first step, now you're going even deeper. So you observe and you write down your actual observations based on the action that you took, based on the unhealthy habit when you performed it. So it's easier to identify the triggers. And once you do that, it's going to be so much simpler to implement the strategy full on. Okay, so let's go to the next assignment.